Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to depart your eyeshadow from the case, and I'm going to demonstrate for you by using a MAC eyeshadow. Every eyeshadow product has the same assembly process. There is a cap and an eyeshadow pen and a case around the eyeshadow pen and then case outside, and you can disassemble all of them together, and I'm going to show you how. But Korean brands are more easier to depart because if you remove the sticker from behind, there's a hole and you can use either a needle or a pin. By pushing from behind, the pen will come off. However, this kind of very difficult to depart eyeshadow is really a sucker. So you'll need to depart by disassembling all the case. So I'm going to show you how. First of all, I'm going to just remove the cap because basically I don't need the cap. And yeah, I removed the cap. So cap is now separated. And here inside there is a hole, tiny hole. So you'll need to prepare a spatula or something similar and push this spatula inside the hole, and you really need to use a strength to depart. So right now it's already stuck in the middle, and what you can do is you really need to use your strength to pull it out so you can really depart it. Now the case and the eyeshadow pen is now separated. However, this eyeshadow pen is really strongly glued in the middle. So this is when you'll need to use a torch lighter. And this process can be very dangerous unless you want to burn your fingers. So I'm going to use a lighter to burn the bottom of the eyeshadow pen. It's going to take a little while. You need to totally burn it. You need to burn it. Oh, there's fire. There's a fire in the hole. And then I'm gonna use another. Ow, hot. See, this is very dangerous process. So this is quite hot now. So I'm gonna just use a cotton pad to grab it. So you can really depart your eyeshadow pen from the case. Make sure you don't want to burn your fingers, so safety comes first. And now this eyeshadow pen you can put inside your own custom palette. Some may require a magnetic strip that you can attach behind the eyeshadow pen, but this MAC eyeshadow palette just can be attached to the magnetic palette. And the tricky part is this is also a MAC, authentic MAC palette, empty palette. This single eyeshadow itself, it won't just stick here unless it's glued. Probably if you have this MAC empty palette, you want to put inside with a magnetic strip attached underneath the eyeshadow, or you can just leave the glue, but the palette's gonna be look messy and dirty like mine, but I don't really care. Or even more simply, you can purchase an eyeshadow that has magnetic case. So if you just push your finger from behind, the pen will just automatically come off. NARS eyeshadows are all magnetized, and Bobbi Brown eyeshadows are not magnetized, but they are removable eyeshadow, so you can put inside your custom Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette. I hope this video helped you to depart your eyeshadow more safely, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.